What does Adult Protective Services, APS, actually do? Imagine a safety net woven to catch those who might fall through the cracks. That's what Adult Protective Services does for vulnerable adults, especially seniors and people with disabilities. When someone reports concerns about abuse or neglect, APS springs into action. Their job is to investigate these reports thoroughly and quickly. Abuse can be physical, emotional, verbal, or sexual. Neglect means caregivers or family members aren't providing necessary care, like food, medicine, or a safe place to live. Sometimes, adults can even neglect themselves if they are unable to care for their own needs. Financial exploitation involves stealing or misusing an adult's money or property. Once APS receives a report, they begin an investigation. They talk to the person involved, review evidence, and assess the situation. Their goal is to determine if the adult is in danger or if their rights are being violated. If they find abuse or neglect, APS works to protect the individual. They may arrange for emergency shelter or medical care if needed. They also help with ongoing support like home health care, mental health services, or transportation to appointments. APS can also get involved in legal actions. They might work with courts to appoint a guardian or a surrogate decision-maker if the adult cannot make decisions for themselves. If criminal activity is suspected, they coordinate with law enforcement to ensure the abuser faces appropriate charges. Prevention is another key part of what APS does. They educate the public about signs of elder abuse and how to report it. They also connect vulnerable adults and their families with community resources such as counseling, legal aid, or financial assistance. The services APS provides depend on the state, but generally they serve adults who are elderly or have disabilities that limit their ability to care for themselves. Some states focus only on those over a certain age, while others include younger adults with disabilities. Overall, APS acts as a frontline protector for seniors and vulnerable adults. They identify problems, intervene to stop abuse or neglect, and help individuals regain safety and independence. Their work ensures that vulnerable adults can live with dignity, safety, and respect in their communities.